In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in Helldivers 2. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, I'm in an article showing us how to change a ship and player name. So as you can see here, how to rename a ship. So to rename a ship after the training mission, you'll be transferred to your private ship. So it is your base and hub in which you can adjust loadout and manage the vessel. So you'll be also taken to a screen where it is possible to pick the name of for your new home. Luckily, you can change it later. So to rename the ship, you have to play a mission first. It will unlock ship management menu. It is possible to access this through four screens which stand in front of the place you've appeared for the first time. So in the ship management menu, you'll see an option to rename your ship. Now to change your name, sadly, it seems that there is no in-game method to change your name because as Helldivers 2 automatically uses your account nickname, it appears that only the option is to change your profile ID, which is your Steam username or your PSN username. But there are some times when you change your Steam username, you might want to simply wait for the servers to sync with your new username, and your name in Helldivers 2 will also change as you change your Steam ID. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.